The first diagram shows us a circle, and we've got an angle to the center and an angle to the circumference. Effectively, those angles are standing on the same chord, but that chord is not drawn. It's there. And you can now see that we've got an angle subtended to the center and an angle subtended to the circumference. And circle theorem number 2 says that this angle here, the angle to the center, must be double this one. So we can simply say that x must equal 104 divided by 2, which is equal to 52 degrees. Okay, let's have a look at part B. We can clearly calculate that angle there because of the fact that the three angles here in this triangle must add up to 180 degrees. But this is a circles theorems question, and we're better off tackling it in a circle theorems way. Well, again, we've got a missing chord. As soon as I put the chord in, you will realize which theorem to use. There's the missing chord. And you can see, look, the 28 degrees is subtended on the chord, and we've got another pair of lines subtended on that same chord. So the angle y must be the same as 28. So we can simply write down that y is equal to 28 degrees. And there we are.